Welcome to Pals Fundamentals. This audio news report will bring you the top news from the Faroe Islands for today, January 5th, 2025. If you enjoy content like this, be sure to check out our YouTube channel. You'll find more videos like this on Pals Fundamentals.
Let's get started with the weather report for the Faroe Islands today. Expect northeasterly winds between 6 and 12 meters. Those will increase to gale force in some areas this evening. There will be snow showers that could become heavy later in the day. Temperatures will range from -3 to +3 degrees Celsius throughout the day. Looking ahead to Monday, we'll see continued snow showers and a shift to strong northeasterly winds. Those could reach 13 to 18 meters overnight. Temperatures will range from freezing to +4 degrees Celsius. Mariners should be sure to check local forecasts for precise wave height information. Sea conditions are expected to be rough.
Now, turning to local news, two vessels experienced difficulties yesterday near Klaksvik. They needed assistance.
One was a fishing vessel. They believe they'd snagged their propeller. The other was a trawler that needed towing.
Thankfully, the fishing vessel was able to reach the shore on its own, and both vessels safely reached Klaksvik.
There was a separate incident involving a small boat near Valgaravik in Tórshavn. It also requested assistance. But they were able to restart their engine and continue their journey before rescue services arrived.
Now, an update on political happenings. Ness municipality has experienced substantial growth recently. The population increased from 1,399 in 2021 to 1,585 in 2024. Tax revenues also increased significantly, reaching a record 70 million DKK. However, the growth in the number of children has lagged behind.
The municipality is proceeding with plans to expand housing options. They've secured a deal to extend Hugginesvegur by 180 meters to create more building plots. They're also working on acquiring additional land.
Now let's move on to industry news. The Surstrømøyer Útgerðarfélag, also known as the Surstrømøy Fishermen's Association, is voicing concerns over stricter sailing license requirements proposed for fishing boats in Group 5.
They're arguing that the requirements are excessive and costly. They also say that the requirements are unsuitable for fishing in the inner waterways.
The association has sought legal counsel on this issue. They are also concerned about the frequent malfunctioning of wave height meters and weather stations.
Yeah.
Those are critical for fishermen, especially in the winter months, when they're making decisions about going out to sea.
Right. And they're working to find a solution. The association is actively engaging with Vern and Landsverk to find some reliable long-term solutions for accurate and dependable weather information.
Okay. In international news, Greenland is moving closer to a referendum on independence.
This is expected to be a central issue in the upcoming Greenlandic election, which is scheduled for no later than April 6th of this year.
So just a few months away.
Yeah.
The push for independence gained momentum with the completion of a draft constitution a couple of years ago.
Several key issues are fueling this movement. One is the prevention of adoptions and forced relocation of Greenlandic children in Denmark. Another is the concern sparked by former U.S. President Donald Trump's remarks about the U.S. needing ownership and control of Greenland.
And that wraps up our news report from the Faroe Islands for today, January 5th, 2025.
We covered a range of topics today, from local incidents to political developments to industry concerns and international news.
Be sure to check out our YouTube channel, Pals Fundamentals, for more content like this.
Stay informed, and we'll be back soon with more updates from the Faroe Islands.